What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 44 cents. We're down 15% on the day. Absolutely crazy. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.45 billion, 24-hour volume, 591 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Matic on the 1 hour time frame. So I thought we may put in a retracement right here and see that wave 2, but it's too shallow. The minimum requirement for a wave 2 retracement is the 0.382. And as you can see here, we only came up to the 0.236. So in my opinion, we're still going through that first impulsive wave. Now we are quite oversold and we're sitting just underneath that 45 cent level of support. If I pop it back open to the daily here and we scroll back, you can see these swing highs. Yeah, we're basically sitting right on that support level. We've come right down to it in between about 43 to 45 cents. So we could start to see that retracement from this level. We're going to pop back over into the 1 hour time frame. So if this were to be our bottom, of course, that's not promised. If we do continue to sell off, then you're looking at a deeper wave 1. But if this were to be the bottom of wave 1, then you take your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. And for your wave 2, you're looking for a retracement. Usually it's going to come in between the 0.5 and the 0.618. Sometimes it overextends. We have the 0.786 lining up with the ascending resistance, previous support of the symmetrical triangle. But your minimum target is the 0.382 at about 41 cents. Now, when we start to retrace, is when I'll look to scale into a short position, most likely, because I do think we do have a final wave 5 down. So if we start to come up, I'll look to scale into a short position. I do give signals in my Discord here. So I'm just going to drop in a yellow box as I did in yesterday's video. Why is it doing this? This is super weird. Hold on, guys. Let me open this up. Let me change the color. Oh, okay. I think it's because I have this extend left. Okay, perfect. So if we do start to retrace here, look for a retracement in between about 52 cents to about 60 cents. We can drop lower. If we drop lower, then of course we have to reset our targets. We are quite oversold on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Doesn't mean we can't continue to sell off. We've seen it before here, but we are sitting on support. So I am looking for that wave 2 retracement to start taking some short positions. It's just what I'm looking at personally, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So if we do start to put in that retracement here, we can measure our wave 3 from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top. And you're looking at a minimum target of the 1.618, but usually it's going to come down in between the 2 and the 2.618, which is currently sitting in between 19 and 26 cents. So if that comes to fruition here, then we could come all the way down for Matic to about 18 cents if I open up the daily time frame here, because this is quite a large wave 1. So I think we may retrace deeper than I had expected, in between 28 and 30 cents. We may come all the way down in between about 18 to 25 cents. Let me just quickly fix this. Extend left, turn off. Okay. You can see this cluster of support here. That could definitely be our target, because this is quite a large wave 1 in my opinion, especially if we go deeper. If this wave 1 goes deeper, then I would expect Matic to come all the way down to 18 to 25 cents. As I've been mentioning, when you go through a massive ABC correction after going through a large 5-wave structure, the C wave usually lands prior or at the support of the wave 4. So the support of the wave 4 is coming in about 28-30 cents, but in some cases it will be prior to the wave 4. So we could definitely come down to 18 to 25 cents for Matic. In my opinion, I'll be absolutely loading the bags for my long-term holds. We are still printing that bullish divergence on the daily, which can suggest that the bears are running out of strength and we're looking for a bottom relatively soon here, in my opinion, for Matic. But as of right now, this is a huge sell-off. Like, I was expecting an earlier retracement, but the fact that we've come all the way down to 42 cents suggests to me that we could come deeper and possibly come all the way down here in between about 19 to about 25 cents to bottom out here for Matic. So basically what I'm waiting for is to see that wave 2 retracement. It at least has to come up to the 0.382, which is currently coming in at about 49 cents. because right here it didn't come up to the 0.382, so this is still an impulsive wave one, but usually it's going to land in between the 0.5, the 0.618, and quite possibly the 0.786, so in between about 52 to about 60 cents if we start to bounce from this level. If we continue to sell off, then we're looking at a larger wave one, and I definitely think we'll be coming down to that 19, 18 to about 25-cent price target, in my opinion. As I mentioned here on the daily, we are putting in a nice bullish divergence. If we pop open, let's look at the weekly chart quickly. So we've come all the way down to oversold on the RSI, which is to be expected in a bear market. So I would expect us to bottom out pretty soon here for Matic. I do think that wave two retracement is coming in shortly here, as this is just some massive sell-off. We're extremely oversold on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour time frame. If we were to continue to sell off here, your next strong support's really not down till about that 32-cent price target, which lines up with these swing lows. I'd be very surprised to see you come all the way down to 30 cents before putting in that wave two retracement. I do think it's more likely here that we put in that wave two sooner than later, and then look for that larger wave three down to complete our 5-wave structure, completing our much larger 5 waves to the downside, starting from the previous all-time high, and completing our large ABC correction, which usually takes you down to the support or prior to the support of the wave 4. Finish the correction and begin a bull market once again for our friend Matic. So pretty exciting price action in my opinion. I'm just waiting for that wave 2 retracement so I can look to enter a short position, and I will be giving those trade calls in my Discord at the $10 membership. To invalidate all this, we have to break above the triangle, break above the wave E. I don't think it's likely at all. This is a very strong impulsive move to the downside, so I do think we're coming down at least to 28 to 30 cents, but in my opinion, with this strong wave 1, we could come all the way down in between about 18 to about 25 cents for our friend Matic. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Matic is the coin that I focus on trading, and I do give signals at the $10 membership. We've been making some juicy profits. Unfortunately, I missed this major wave here, but I am looking for that retracement to enter into some short positions, and I will be giving some trade signals. So you can sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses. That's where I do all my trading. You can follow me on Instagram to keep up with my travels and my personal life if you'd like to. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.